Let's say this is your laptop, and you're at home, and you have a specific configuration for your system. Taking your laptop to another network, like a friend's place, often requires you to change those settings. Returning home again, you need to change them back. And if you're visiting that friend frequently, you need to change those settings frequently as well. This is where NetSetMan comes in. With NetSetMan, you can store your settings and profiles and activate them with just a single click. Using NetSetMan is easy. Name a profile, select a network adapter, and choose and configure all the settings that you'd like to be activated with this profile. Like IP settings, network drives, or even some system-related settings that might differ from location to location. Now, whenever you need certain network or system settings, simply activate a profile. And if even one click is too much, then you can set up NetSetMan to activate profiles completely automatically by recognizing the surrounding wireless networks. If you need to change settings before even logging on, there's a solution for this as well. Simply set up profiles for all locations where you frequently need to hook up your laptop, your coffee shop, the university, or with NetSetMan Pro, even your working area. Once configured, you'll never have to remember the required settings ever again. But there's more, a compact mode. Current IP information directly from the tray icon. Quick access to important Windows locations. A feature-rich Wi-Fi management. The NSM service that allows using NetSetMan with a limited user account. Administration tools for defining user privileges. Localized in more than 20 languages. And much, much more. NetSetMan offers you what you've been missing in Windows until now. A powerful, easy-to-use interface to manage all your network settings at a glance. Millions of people around the world are already using it. Give it a try, and you'll never want to be without it again. Download NetSetMan for free at www.netsetman.com.